What's up, guys? Today we're going to take a look at some of the best air fryers on the market for this year. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started.
Number 1. Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer. The Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer stands out as the ultimate kitchen companion for anyone who loves crisp, delicious food without the excess oil. With its 4 versatile functions, this model lets you air fry, roast, reheat, and dehydrate effortlessly. Its 5-quart capacity is ideal for families, easily fitting up to 4 pounds of French fries or a full meal in one go. The non-stick basket and crisper plate ensure that cleanup is as easy as cooking, making it perfect for daily use. One of the main reasons this air fryer earns the top spot is its ability to cook evenly and quickly. The maximum temperature of 400 degrees Fahrenheit helps achieve that perfect golden texture that rivals traditional frying methods, all while using a fraction of the oil. The compact yet powerful design makes it a fantastic fit for any kitchen, whether you have limited space or love showcasing sleek appliances. Another notable feature is its quiet operation, which makes it ideal for busy households. You can reheat leftovers to restaurant-quality crispness or dehydrate fruits for healthy snacks. With intuitive controls and a durable build, the Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer delivers performance, reliability, and consistency every single time. For anyone who values versatility and crisp perfection, this air fryer is an unmatched choice that combines function, style, and convenience into one dependable package. Number 2. Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Mini Air Fryer. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Mini Air Fryer takes compact cooking to a whole new level. Designed for small families or individuals who want versatility in a compact form, this 4-quart air fryer brings 6 different functions to your countertop. It allows you to air fry, roast, bake, broil, dehydrate, and reheat all with one easy-to-use appliance. Its stainless steel finish not only looks modern, but also ensures durability for long-term use. What makes the Instant Pot Vortex Plus special is its combination of smart technology and precision. The customizable program options allow you to save your favorite cooking settings for easy one-touch access. Whether you are crisping up frozen snacks or roasting vegetables, it delivers consistent results thanks to its EvenCrisp airflow technology. The built-in digital display makes operations simple, and the preheating time is remarkably short, meaning your food is ready faster. For those who like to explore recipes, the companion app offers over 100 ideas, helping you experiment with new dishes. The non-stick, dishwasher-safe basket makes cleanup effortless, and the compact size fits perfectly in small kitchens or dorms. Its quiet performance, energy efficiency, and ability to deliver crispy, tender results make it a favorite for everyday cooking. If you want professional-level crispiness in a mini form, the Instant Pot Vortex Plus 6-in-1 Mini Air Fryer is a smart and stylish choice. Number 3. Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo. The Emeril Lagasse Extra Large French Door Air Fryer Toaster Oven Combo is a powerhouse designed for serious home cooks. With its massive 26-quart capacity, it easily handles large meals, making it perfect for families or gatherings. This model combines air frying with traditional oven functionality, offering an impressive 24 cooking functions that include toasting, baking, roasting, broiling, and dehydrating. The French door design adds a touch of elegance and practicality, allowing easy access without taking up extra counter space. Its digital control panel ensures precise temperature and time settings, giving you complete control over your cooking results. The air circulation technology ensures even heat distribution, achieving the crispy texture you love without the greasiness of deep frying. What sets this model apart is its versatility and performance. It can handle everything from a whole chicken to a tray of cookies or a family-sized pizza. The 7 included accessories make it even more flexible, allowing you to cook multiple dishes at once. The stainless steel finish ensures it looks great in any kitchen while being easy to clean and maintain. For those who love multifunction appliances, the Emeril Lagasse Air Fryer Toaster Oven is a complete kitchen solution. It's not just an air fryer, it's an all-in-one cooking powerhouse that replaces several appliances, saving you both time and space while enhancing your cooking creativity.
Thanks for watching. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.